Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In this KT session, we will see a virtual assistant bot in BluePrism. So, by virtual assistant, I mean we can ask any question to that bot and it will give the answer. So, let's start. Go to control room and run this bot. As soon as we run the bot, we will see this prompt, and here we can enter our query or question and click on OK. So we will get the response. Here is table of 295. Let's run the bot again and ask. So this is how our virtual assistant bot works. It can answer, it can give answer of all the questions. Thanks for watching this video, guys.